Hello, good day viewers. In this video, I'll be solving this nice Olympiad maths. Here we have to evaluate the powers of complex numbers, right? Here we're given 1 plus I square root of 7 over 2 to the power of 8 plus 1 minus I square root of 7 over 2 to the power of 8. We are asked to evaluate this expression here. We should be very familiar with what this I stands for. This is just the imaginary unit, which is equal to the square root of -1, right? Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead to subscribe to this channel and also share our videos. Now, before we proceed, I'm going to make the following substitution. So I can say let A equals 1 plus I square root of 7 over 2. So splitting the denominator, we have 1 over 2 plus I square root of 7 over 2, right? So I'm going to also let B equals 1 minus I square root of 7 over 2. That is the one here. And this is equal to 1 over 2 minus I square root of 7 over 2, right? So actually, to evaluate this expression will be same as to evaluate A to the power of 8 plus B to the power of 8. Makes sense, right? Okay, now let us find the sum of A and B. We have here A plus B is equal to 1 over 2 plus I square root of 7 over 2, then plus 1 over 2 minus I square root of 7 over 2. Here this cancel out. So we're left with 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, and that is equal to 1. So the sum of A and B equals 1. Now let us find their products. Here we have A times B will be same as 1 over 2 plus I square root of 7 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 minus I square root of 7 over 2, right? So if you make use of the difference of two squares formula, when we have A plus B multiplied by A minus B, this is equal to A squared minus B squared. So actually this is going to be 1 over 2 squared minus I square root of 7 over 2 squared, right? So let us simplify this way. So this is going to be equal to 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4. Here we have minus. Do not forget that I square root of 7 over 2 squared is the same as I square root of 7 over 2 times I square root of 7 over 2, right? Here I times I is equal to I squared, and I squared is equal to -1, right? So with that -1, here this sign is going to be positive, right? And here square root of 7 times square root of 7 is equal to 7 over 2 times 2, and that's 4. So if we add this together, we have 8 all over 4, and this is equal to 2. Here their product is equal to 2, and their sum equals 1, right? Okay, now let us make use of this nice algebraic identity. A squared plus B squared is equal to A plus B squared minus 2AB, right? So here we have A squared plus B squared is going to be equal to A plus B is equal to 1. So we have 1 squared minus 2 times A times B is equal to 2, right? And this is equal to 1. 1 squared is 1, that is 1, minus 2 times 2, that is 4, and this is equal to -3, right? Okay, now let us go ahead and find when their power is 4. That is when we have A raised to the power of 4 plus B raised to the power of 4. This is same as A squared squared, right? Then plus B squared squared. So this is equal to making use of this property here. So we're going to have A squared plus B squared raised to the power of 2, then minus 2 times A squared times B squared, right? So this is going to be equal to A squared plus B squared is -3. So here we have -3 squared minus 2. You know, A squared times B squared is the same as A times B all to the power of 2. So this is equal to -9 squared is 9 minus 2 times A times B squared. Remember that their product here is equal to 2, right? So A times B squared would be the same as 2 raised to the power of 2. And this is equal to 9 minus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, so we have 9 minus 8, and this is equal to 1. Cool. Okay, now let us go ahead and find the power of 8, right? So here we have a raised to the power of 8 plus b raised to the power of 8, which is just exactly what we are asked to evaluate, right? So this is going to be a raised to the power of 4 squared, right? You know this law. 4 times 2 here will give us this 8, right? So here we have plus b raised to the power of 4 squared. So making use of this property, we also have here a raised to the power of 4 plus b raised to the power of 4 squared, then minus 2 times a raised to the power of 4 times b raised to the power of 4. So this is same as, here, a raised to the power of 4 plus b raised to the power of 4 is equal to 1. And here we have 1 squared, then minus 2 times, a raised to the power of 4 times b raised to the power of 4 is the same as a times b, then all to the power of 4. Cool. So here this is equal to 1 squared minus 2 times, a times b is already 2, then raised to the power of 4. So this is equal to 1 squared is 1, right? Then minus 2 raised to the power of 4 here is already 16, and 16 times 2 is equal to 32, right? So this is equal to 1 minus 32 is equal to negative 31. So we can say that 1 plus I square root of 7 all over 2 raised to the power of 8 plus 1 minus I square root of 7 all over 2 raised to the power of 8 is equal to negative 31. And this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share my videos. Bye-bye.